Hello and namaste. For vermicelli upma we need roasted vermicelli, assorted vegetables of your own choices. For spices we need oil, mustard seeds, turmeric, salt, black pepper powder and ginger. And for additional taste you can have some assorted roughly grounded dry fruits of your own choices. Now see the recipe. Heat pan, add oil and crackle some mustard seeds to it. Add roughly chopped onions to it, and now you can add some chopped or shredded carrots. Add peas if you have any, or any other roughly chopped vegetables of your own choices. Now add grated ginger, turmeric powder, black pepper powder and stir everything really well. Add some water and bring it to boil. Once the water is boiled, add vermicelli and salt and grounded nuts which we have already prepared. Once the vermicelli is cooked and softened, you're gonna add some chopped coriander leaves and lemon juice and serve really hot. I hope you like the recipe. Enjoy it and let me know in the comments.